chapter 5, verse 21 to 26. You have heard that it was said to the people long ago, "Do not murder. Anyone who murders will be subject to judgment." But I tell you, anyone who is angry with his brother will be subject to judgment. Again, anyone who says to his brother, "Raka," is answerable to the Sanhedrin. But anyone who says, "You fool," will be in danger to the fire of hell. Therefore, if you are offering your gift to the altar, there remember that your brother has something against you. Leave your gift there in front of the altar, and I first be reconciled to your brother, then come and offer your gift. Settle matters quickly with your adversary who is taking you to court. Do it while you are with him on the way, or he may hand you over to the judge, and the judge may hand you over to the officer, and you may be thrown into prison. I tell you the truth, you will not get out until you have paid the last penny. Matthew chapter 5, verse 21 to 26.